Transform your living space with the magic of space-saving furniture. From Murphy beds that disappear into the wall to stylish, multifunctional designs, these ideas help you create more room without sacrificing comfort or style. Perfect for apartments, small homes, or anyone who loves a clean and modern setup. Subscribe to Gadget Nest for more smart home hacks and trending furniture designs. Links to all the amazing products are waiting for you in the description below. Let's explore the best space-saving furniture that makes your home feel bigger and smarter.
Number 1. Best Star Per Queen Murphy Bed. The Best Star Per Queen Murphy Bed is a smart, space-saving solution designed for modern living. Standing tall with a sleek white finish, it blends seamlessly into bedrooms, guest rooms, or living areas. When folded up, it frees valuable floor space, making even small rooms feel open and organized. The strong frame supports a queen mattress securely, providing comfort and durability. Its user-friendly design makes opening and closing smooth and effortless. Perfect for multi-purpose spaces, this Murphy bed allows one room to serve different needs without clutter. Whether you live in an apartment or need extra sleeping arrangements for guests, this design ensures both function and style. Its clean, contemporary look matches most home decors, making it versatile. Homeowners love how sturdy and quiet it feels when in use. With easy installation and reliable performance, the Best Star Per Murphy bed is an ideal choice for anyone seeking comfort and convenience in a compact home. Number 2. Create-A-Bed Queen-Size Deluxe Murphy Bed Kit. The Create-A-Bed Queen-Size Deluxe Murphy Bed Kit offers a reliable and stylish way to maximize your living space. With its vertical design, it neatly folds up against the wall, creating an open area during the day. This kit includes durable hardware that ensures safe and smooth operation every time. Supporting a queen-size mattress, it delivers both comfort and practicality. Its clean lines and modern design enhance the look of any room, whether it's a bedroom, studio apartment, or guest room. Installation is straightforward, with detailed instructions included, making it suitable for DIY enthusiasts. Once set up, the bed folds down easily and provides a sturdy sleeping surface for everyday use or visiting guests. Homeowners appreciate its strong materials and noise-free operation, ensuring restful sleep and a tidy room. This Murphy bed kit is a great choice for those who want to save space without compromising on comfort or aesthetics.
Number 3. Queen-Size DIY Murphy Bed Hardware Kit. The Queen-Size DIY Murphy Bed Hardware Kit is a budget-friendly way to create a vertical wall bed that saves space and enhances functionality. Designed for small homes, apartments, or guest rooms, this kit provides all the essential hardware needed for a reliable pull-down bed system. Made in the USA, it features strong, long-lasting mechanisms that allow the bed to fold smoothly against the wall when not in use. The hideaway design keeps your living space uncluttered and versatile, giving you more room during the day. Easy-to-follow instructions make it perfect for DIY projects, allowing you to build a customized Murphy bed to suit your style and needs. Despite being affordable, it does not compromise on quality or safety. The bed lift mechanism works effortlessly, providing convenience every time you set up or put away the bed. This hardware kit is an excellent solution for anyone seeking practical, space-saving comfort at home. Number 4. Best Star Claremont Queen-Size Murphy Bed. The Best Star Claremont Queen-Size Murphy Bed in Platinum Gray is a modern and efficient choice for small rooms. Designed with style and durability in mind, it transforms multi-purpose areas into comfortable sleeping spaces with ease. Its folding mechanism works smoothly, allowing you to tuck the bed away during the day and create an open, clutter-free environment. The platinum gray finish adds a clean, contemporary look that fits seamlessly with many home decors. Strongly built, this bed provides reliable support for a restful night's sleep, making it ideal for both everyday use and occasional guests. Perfect for apartments, studios, or guest rooms, it helps maximize every inch of floor space. Customers love its sturdy construction and the way it enhances room organization. With clear assembly instructions, it's simple to set up and use. The Bestar Claremont Murphy bed is a stylish, functional solution for homes where saving space is a priority.
Number 5. ZIPA Queen Size Murphy Bed Cabinet. The ZIPA Queen Size Murphy Bed Cabinet combines modern design with smart functionality, making it a perfect fit for bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices. This compact wall-mounted design features a built-in charging station, ensuring your devices stay powered while you rest. Its tri-fold mattress unfolds easily, offering comfort without taking up too much room. When folded, the sleek white cabinet design keeps your space tidy and stylish. A convenient storage drawer adds extra room for pillows, blankets, or other essentials, reducing clutter and improving organization. This Murphy bed is designed for convenience and efficiency, with smooth folding and sturdy construction. Homeowners appreciate its balance of elegance and practicality, especially in compact spaces. Its modern white finish blends easily with any decor, giving a clean, minimalist touch to your home. Perfect for guests or everyday living, the ZIPA Murphy Bed Cabinet helps transform small spaces into functional and beautiful rooms. Number 6. Fayonnaise Full Bed Frame with Charging Station. The Fayonnaise Full Bed Frame offers a mix of comfort, practicality, and style in a compact design. Upholstered in soft linen with a charcoal gray finish, it adds an elegant and cozy touch to any bedroom. The wingback headboard provides support for relaxing, while the solid wood slats ensure durability and stable mattress support. This frame eliminates the need for a box spring, saving space and money. Built-in charging stations on each side keep your devices powered and within reach, making it ideal for modern living. Assembly is straightforward, with clear instructions for a quick setup. Noise-free construction enhances sleeping comfort, ensuring restful nights without creaks. Its sturdy build feels dependable for long-term use. Homeowners love how the frame combines elegance with everyday functionality. For those who want a simple yet stylish option with added convenience, the Fayonnaise Full Bed Frame is a reliable, space-conscious solution.
Number 7. Bestar Per Queen Murphy Bed and Shelving Unit. The Bestar Per Queen Murphy Bed with Shelving Unit is designed to maximize storage and comfort in small spaces. Featuring a fold-up wall bed, it frees up floor space quickly while offering a strong and comfortable sleeping area. Built-in drawers and shelves provide extra storage for books, decor, or essentials, keeping the room organized and clutter-free. Its white finish blends seamlessly with modern interiors, making it suitable for bedrooms, guest rooms, or multi-purpose areas. Easy to operate, the bed folds down smoothly and feels secure, ideal for both daily use and occasional guests. The sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the shelving adds a practical touch for everyday living. Customers love its space-saving benefits and versatile functionality. Perfect for apartments or compact homes, this Murphy bed is a smart way to create a neat, multi-purpose room. Stylish, practical, and reliable, it enhances both comfort and efficiency in any home. Number 8. Bestar Per Queen Size Murphy Bed. The Bestar Per Queen Size Murphy Bed in rustic brown is a practical and stylish choice for small or multi-purpose rooms. Standing 65 inches wide, it blends seamlessly into bedrooms, guest spaces, or living areas without overwhelming the room. The fold-away design makes it easy to switch between sleeping and open space, giving you flexibility for daily use. Its rustic brown finish adds warmth and charm, complementing a wide range of furniture and decor styles. Built with durability in mind, this Murphy bed provides sturdy support and comfort, ensuring a restful night's sleep. Setup is straightforward, and folding it up or down is smooth and effortless, even for one person. Perfect for small apartments or multi-purpose homes, this Murphy bed allows you to maximize floor space while still enjoying the comfort of a full-size bed. It's a smart, space-saving solution for modern living.
Number 9. Aloe Full-Size Platform Bed Frame. The Alloy full-size platform bed frame offers a sleek and functional design that eliminates the need for a box spring. Featuring strong wooden slats, it provides reliable mattress support for a comfortable and stable sleep experience. The upholstered dark gray fabric headboard adds a touch of softness and modern elegance to your bedroom decor. Its fully upholstered frame gives the bed a polished look, making it an excellent fit for minimalist or contemporary styles. Assembly is quick and simple with clear instructions, ensuring a stress-free setup. Lightweight yet durable, this bed frame balances practicality with style. Its compact size is ideal for small bedrooms, apartments, or guest rooms. The design saves both money and space by skipping the extra box spring while maintaining solid comfort. The Alloy full-size platform bed frame is a smart investment for anyone seeking affordability, style, and durability in a modern bed frame. Number 10. Harper & Bright Designs Twin Bunk Bed. The Harper & Bright Designs Twin Bunk Bed is an excellent option for families who want both fun and function in their children's room. With a twin-over-twin layout, this bunk bed saves valuable floor space while offering 2 comfortable sleeping spots. Its wooden house-style frame, complete with the roof design, brings a playful and cozy vibe that kids love. The built-in slide adds an extra layer of excitement, making bedtime enjoyable and active. Crafted from sturdy wood, it provides long-lasting strength and safe support for children. Finished in classic white, it blends easily with both boys' and girls' room decor. Safety rails and a stable frame give parents peace of mind, while the playful design makes kids eager to use their bed. Easy to assemble with clear instructions, this bunk bed is perfect for siblings, sleepovers, or families looking to combine practicality with creativity.
Number 11. Max & Lily Fundamental Twin Low Bunk Bed. The Max & Lily Fundamental Twin Low Bunk Bed is designed with safety, durability, and modern style in mind. Crafted from solid wood, it offers exceptional strength and stability, supporting heavy weight with ease. The low-profile design makes it safer for younger children while still providing the fun of a bunk bed. Its natural wood finish adds a warm and modern touch that suits many kids' bedroom styles. Non-toxic finishes ensure a safe sleeping environment, keeping your children protected. The strong wooden slats provide reliable mattress support, ensuring comfort without the need for additional box springs. Assembly is straightforward, with clear and simple instructions to make setup hassle-free. Perfect for siblings sharing a room or frequent sleepovers, this bunk bed is both space-saving and practical. Kids enjoy a cozy, stylish sleeping setup, while parents appreciate the durability and safety features built into this well-made bunk bed. Thanks for watching today's top picks from Gadget Nest. If you love discovering cool kitchen gadgets that make life easier, make sure to subscribe and stay updated. All product links and the latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss out. Got a question or want to see a specific gadget reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.